Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Malik Technical. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Malik Technical. Today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Rocket Network. It is a very amazing token site and you can earn a huge profit in future. So see my complete video without skipping because it is very beneficial for you. So you can also see their time, their pre-sale time. 21 days are remaining in their ending days. So while you are waiting, just go and buy them because they are rocking. So a higher pre-sale ending and listing November 30. So you can buy today. So before starting my video, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So here we can discuss about Rocket Network.live, a cryptocurrency that will go to the moon and beyond. Buy today before listing on PancakeSwap. 100x opportunity, long term based project, deflationary plus 9k holders already. Investment asset, Rocket News and Rocket Games launched. So here we can discuss about how to buy now. Watch their tutorials, MetaMask, PC, Mobile Trust Wallet. You can see here, and this site powered by Binance Smart Chain, BSC Scan, and PancakeSwap. So you can join their community. Now we can discuss the BEP20 RNK coin, a cryptocurrency that will go to the moon and beyond. The Rocket Network offers transactions from one end of the planet to the other without intermediaries at a staggering price and at a frightening speed. In addition, the Rocket Network currency can be traded on the market with price fluctuations instantly and at extremely low price anywhere on the planet. The goal is to become a completely decentralized traded cryptocurrency that people can use around the world, no matter what country they are from, how old they are, or what language they speak. This goal has become inspired to help the neediest people around the world get out of poverty. So achieve it, we need to get listed on Binance Exchange, make noise. So this is the mission of Rocket Network.live, and this and here you can see that their homes journal, home technology updates, roadmap, pre-sale tutorials, community smart chain, Rocket News advantages, Rocket Games, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and white paper. Here you can see their community, Reddit, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram news. So they have a very earning site and very amazing mission. We also discuss how we can buy, and we also discuss about their white paper. So after this we also discuss about their white paper. If you want to get information in details regarding their projects, so you can need to download the white paper in details. Here you will find out each and every answers of your questions that you have in your mind. For example, if you want to get information about the Rocket Network, so here you can see their Rocket Network white paper. Here you can see that, and their disclaimer: Rocket Network including but not limited to the overall project, token, website, smart contracts, and any apps. Rocket Network as presented in this conceptual paper is not a licensed, unlicensed or exempted financial or payment service of any kind and in any jurisdiction. Any terminology used in this white paper on the website or within the app is intended only as a basic reference, without any effective or legal meaning of the same terms in a regulated and or financial environment. Rocket Network is decentralized and community driven project and does not have owners, shareholders, promoters, marketers, managers, directors, or other figures or entities exerting any form of permanent and non modifiable in any way. So, the Rocket Network token is strictly a utility token in all jurisdictions and is not and cannot be considered to be a security or otherwise regulated token of any kind. Rocket Network is not in any way e-money and or flat money or an asset-backed stable coin, whether global or limited in scope. This white paper taken by itself is not a contract or a contractual agreement of any kind, nor it is an invitation, solicitation, or offer to invest in Rocket Network or acquire or use Rocket Network tokens in any way and with any expectation of profit therefrom. Any user of Rocket Network represents and warrants that such user has received appropriate technical, administrative, regulatory, and legal advice before and after accessing and or reading this white paper or the website and or using any portion or element of Rocket Network, including the Rocket Network token. The user hereby acknowledges and accepts that there is an inherent high risk in accessing, acquiring, or using any kind of blockchain and or crypto system token, platform, software, or interface, including Rocket Network, and further disavows and any claim of any kind against any community member directly or indirectly involved with Rocket Network for any damage suffered, including total loss. So, RNK peer-to-peer deflationary coin. So here you can see that RNK team at all gmail.com. This is their email address, and here you can visit their website. So you can also visit their website on this address www.rocketnetwork.live. Here we can also discuss about their abstract peer-to-peer deflationary cryptocurrency that allows online payments to be sent directly from one party to another without the need for an intermediary. The network timestamps transactions by hashing them into an ongoing chain of hash-based proof of stake authority algorithms, forming a record that cannot be changed. So here we can also discuss about their introduction. You have probably heard of Binance Chain, the home of the BNB currency. It's optimized for ultra fast trading. To achieve this, it had to make certain trade offs, one being that it was not as flexible from a programmability standpoint as other blockchains. Well, Finance Smart Chain is here to change that. A new blockchain with a full-fledged environment for developing high-performance decentralized applications. It was built for cross-chain compatibility with Binance Chain to ensure that users get the best of both worlds. Rocket Network was launched in May 2021. Its scalability remains one of the most challenging hurdles to blockchain development, and that is where Binance Smart Chain comes in. The RNK coin has been built on top of Binance Smart Chain and achieves 3-second block times with a proof of stake authority consensus algorithm where participants take to become validators. If they propose a valid block, they will receive transaction fees from the transactions included in it. Unlike many protocols, there is no block subsidy or freshly minted RNK. Here you can also see their transactions. Binance Smart Chain was envisioned as an independent but complementary system to the existing Binance Chain. Dual chain architecture is used, with the idea being that users can seamlessly transfer assets from one to another. In this way, powerful ecosystems like Rocket Network can support huge amount of transaction volumes at a lightning speed and get exposed to a vast ecosystem that can cater to a myriad of use cases. Here you can see sell, receive, send, buy, sellers, holders, investors, buyers. So here we can also discuss about their proof of stake authority, POSA. In POA-based networks, transactions and blocks are validated by approved accounts known as validators. Validators run software allowing them to put transactions in blocks. The process is automated and does not require validators to be constantly monitoring their computers. It, however, does require maintaining the computer, the authority not uncompromised. With POA, individuals earn the right to become validators, so there is an incentive to retain the position that they have gained. By attaching a reputation to identity, validators are incentivized to uphold the transaction process, as they do not wish to have their identities attached to a negative reputation. This is considered more robust than POS, proof of stake POS, while a stake between two parties, maybe even it does not take into account each party's total holdings. This means that incentives can be unbalanced. On the other hand, POA only allows non-consecutive block approval from any one validator, meaning that the risk of serious damage is centralized to the authority node. So here POS, you can see their transactions, block, validators, smart chain, RNK, these nodes and transaction requests. And here you can also see their deflation. Rocket Network's backed code architecture provides the network with an amazing feature, that is the deflation. RNK could be a potential crypto asset as a long-term investment against inflation, or a safe store of value lightly uncorrected from other cryptocurrency assets due to its metrics. For each transaction made, 1% of the commission is automatically sent to a burn address black hole through a process called token burning. So here you can also see their speed. Native across chain communication protocol is developed between BC Binance Chain and RNK Rocket Network. This allows transactions to be much faster thanks to the connection between blockchains that Binance Smart Chain enables. RNK comes with efficient and native dual chain communication optimized for scaling high performance apps that require fast and smooth user experience. With a 3-second block time and a proof of authority consensus mechanism, BSC enables high-speed transactions that only cost network participants a few cents. So here we can also discuss about their security. The RNK network relies on a system of 21 validators with proof of stake authority. consensus that can support short block time and lower fees. With POA, individuals earn the right to become validators, so there is an incentive to retain the position that they have gained. The double sign detection and other slashing logic guarantees security, stability, and chain finality. This is considered more robust than POS, proof of stake. POS file a stake between two parties, even maybe even. It does not take into account each party's total holdings. So here we can also discuss about their smart chain. RNK runs in parallel with Binance native Binance chain, which allows users to get the best of both worlds, the high transaction capacity and the speed. Distributed with on-chain governance, proof of stake authority brings in decentralization and community participation. So here you can also see their Binance Smart Chain Rocket Network. After this we also discuss about their law phase, and this is the very amazing thing. Rocket Network has made immense transaction thanks to Ethereum's congestion and gas fee issues. The RNK coin was built on BSC as a cost-effective alternative to users to make transactions between dApps cheaper. Binance Smart Chain, in comparison to Ethereum, has a big difference in transaction fees. This has been achieved thanks to the implementation of the POSA algorithm, making a BEP20 token transaction even 4 times cheaper than an ERC21. So this is the white paper of the Rocket Network. So this is my video, and I thanks to all to see my complete video. At the end of my video, I recommend you all to follow and subscribe their social medias if you have invest or if you have to interest their sites. So you can follow their social medias, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, Instagram news. So again, thanks to see my complete video. Allah Hafiz.